Good morning, sixth grade. You guys have a lot to do in class today, so you're going to be coming to me in small groups. But I do have a couple announcements I wanted to make sure you guys heard. So let's start with mornings here in the library. Starting January 7th, that Tuesday that we get back, you guys are going to be coming into a quiet library in the mornings. Due to the fact that we are struggling with finding a place to read in the mornings, I think we've lost the heart of the library. At its essence, the library is about books and about reading. And in the mornings, it has become so loud in here, it's almost louder than the cafeteria, I feel. So what we're going to do is if you want to read, check out, do homework, work on a Chromebook, even if you're gaming, but gaming solo, if you want to play a board game, do the puzzle, color, any of that stuff's still good because those are all quiet activities. But anything else, y'all need to go to the cafeteria. I'll be honest with you guys, there probably won't be any warnings on this. I'll just ask you to leave just because we need to get to that point very quickly of a quiet library in the mornings. Not a punishment, guys. We're just trying to have a space for the students who just need quiet. So that's kind of the start of that. The other thing I want to tell you guys about is we have a bookmark contest coming up. In March, you guys in elementary school a lot of times celebrated Dr. Seuss's birthday, which we also call Read Across America Day. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have bookmark contest for Read Across America Day in March. You can use this space right here to create your bookmark, turn it in. It needs to be color. Remember, the more creative, the better. If you color, either use marker or when you're using colored pencils or anything that you are using a shade in, make sure and shade it a little bit darker so that when I scan it, it works well. Now, I will tell you guys that when you turn this in, there's whoever the winner is, they will be published. So if you have any questions, let me know. Now, other than that, guys, check with me for all of your account stuff. Make sure everything is taken care of for renewals and that you have enough books for the break. As students, you guys are more than welcome to take 5 books home if you feel like you will read those 5 books over break. Again, if you have any questions when you come to the library, let me know. Have a wonderful holiday, and I will see y'all soon.